Why, hello there. Stats. Let me put stats there. Okay, there we go. Cool, man. Okay, I think I'm getting the hang of this YouTube streaming stuff. Okay, so anyway, this is a little bit of a different stream. I know I should be working on the assembler. I've been kind of slacking on that, but I mean, dude, things have been super stressful at work, and it's just kind of a pain. So we're doing other things. We're doing other things just to get my mind off it. Anyway, so I want to show you how to do OpenCL programming in Windows, and I'm using Codeblocks of all things. And so far, what I have is basically if you go to Settings and Compiler, go to Search Directories, I have the OpenCL headers, which you can just download from GitHub, in a folder, and I have that folder in the search directories, so you don't have to like manually go in and change every single include. So that's kind of nice. I've just been following this tutorial. It's 12 years old, so you know the links don't really work. But so far it's been doing okay. Supposedly, once you start like invoking things, you need to create a library. One moment. What's going on? What's going on? What? Stream's current bitrate is lower than recommended. Huh. Who knows what that means? Anyway, there's configuration and stuff. Anyway, once you start using the functions, because like you can, includes, you need to create a library. So what you do is you look for OpenCL.dll, and if you have your driver, like your GPU driver installed, it should be here. And if you go here, open file location, you'll find out that it's actually in System32. And if you have mingw, I don't know how you pronounce it, but if you type in this, right, and you get the 64-bit thing, you just open as administrator. You should get this. You should get this if you install the default compiler for Codeblocks. Then what you do, gen-def opencl.dll, and you hit enter, and you have to have administrator so it can write to it. Then what you do is you use a tool called DLL tool, and DLL tool, let's see, DLL tool, generate lib from DLL, no, Generate an import library for DLL. So basically use DLL tool to take your def and then turn it into that. Now if you look at my games, if you look at DLL tool, here we go, OpenCL. If you look at OpenCL, what you see is a list of hooks. It's basically, these are all the functions that are inside the DLL. And supposedly you can use DLL tool to turn that into a .a library. So as I'm saying, is you will need the library to here to use functions. I will find out. So let's find out. Hello world OpenCL. That is a long ass OpenCL. Good Lord. So working OpenCL, current version of relatively basic level, and the program is not opening proper phrase or anything. And there's no video output. You know what? Let me just take this, go here, and then cool. Hello.cl. Okay, so let us new file hello.cl. Oh. Rename. How do I what? Can I not rename a file? What? Rename. What? Okay, anyway, I'm sorry. That was strange. So we just take this. Okay. The issue is here. So I'm sorry, I'm not really good at programming and new things. Okay, so it looks like hello world, right? Because it was that. So then here, let's try building. STD vector? What? STD. Sorry, vector is not member of STD. Huh? Isn't that wild? What? What? OpenCL tutorial. We are discovering this together. Okay, let's just do tutorial 1. Okay. What is utils? CL2 HPP, huh? You know what? You know what? Let us do this. So I'm going to open these, raw, save this, raw, save this, raw, save this, and then we're going to go here, downloads, I'm just going to put them in here. Tutorial 1. Kernels. Yeah, holy kernels. Raw. Save this. All files. Save. Control C, or open. Okay. Cool. Now, I don't think this requires an image. Let's try building it. Image utils. Let's try this. Okay, let's try this. No, it's building. Oh. CL retain device. So now I think we are at the point where we need to add the lib this. Right click here. Project. Here, so okay, in here. Right click. Hit build options. Okay. Hit linker settings. Okay. Hit add. Browse. And then if I go desktop here, software. So I go libraries, documents, software, lib. Select. Or you can compile OpenCL with your project. Just add all OpenCL CPP files into your project and try to build it. It built! It built! It built! Hang on. Hang on. I got it. I got OpenCL working. It wasn't even that hard. Okay. So basically what's happening is you're taking a huge vector, you're taking a big vector of data, and you are, you're putting it, you're just adding it. So let's look through this together. Use utils. If you ever have done like mining, like any GPU mining, you probably have recognized this. It's literally like, what GPU are you doing? And if I run it, my God, stop running it. Control 10, Control 10. Running on AMD Accelerator Parallel Processing, GFX 1030. I think 1030 is the actual I think that's yeah, there. 1030 is my GPU. Yeah, it's my GPU. So let's see. This is just argument stuff. Running on, okay. So it takes the std vector, CL buffer A, context, run, read, write, vector size A. What? A dot size. Okay, number of elements makes sense. So size T for the size T, size of in bytes. Okay, that makes sense so far. Rikuchi. Then make a vector of elements. Make 3 buffers, buffer A, B, and C. Q. Copy A and B. So this looks like a C address. That's kind of fun. So you can do OpenCL in C, obviously. Program add like what? So you set up program. You program context and sources. Context, sources. Sources is okay, this is your program. This is your program. Your program is called add. I thought it was like somewhere baked into the DLL. No, you have your program, like your shader, and it's a shader. It's a shader for general purpose programming. That's so dope. It is such a bitch to set up though. But anyway, so program add. So kernel add set arg 0, 1, 2, so there should be 3 arguments in here. Int A, int C, so int pointer A, int pointer B, int pointer C. That sounds about right. Specifically for the add function. C equals A plus B. Int ID equals great global ID 0. A simple smoothing, a simple 2D kernel. Wild. Let's look at the second tutorial. Like, we're doing so good. Oh God. So a 3x3 convolution mask implementing an average filter. So if you look, a lot of it's kind of the same because you need to run on this. Oh, I think we can stop here actually. I know I could keep going down the tutorials, but this is awesome. It's actually super easy. Who knew? It's actually super easy to set up OpenCL. That's so cool. Well, if you want to, you can do it. I'll do some work and I will head off. See ya.